everybody, it's your favorite fox here at Fox Tower Creations, and I'm actually down in my den this time, and I'm gonna make a broom today. Let's see what happens.
So let me introduce you to the materials I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a birch branch for the handle of the broom. I'm going to be using my Works Maker tools, my power carving set, to actually hollow out part of the bottom so that I can use some of the lemongrass as a centerpiece in the base of the broom. My dried lemongrass shafts, and I actually spun the thread that I'm going to use to weave the lemongrass together. So yeah, let's get started by carving out a little bit of the bottom first so that I can put the small shafts in and go from there.
Yes, I'm not a jerk.
Alright, so it looks like that is deep enough for what I'm looking to do, so now I'm just going to affix it in there and then I'll start wrapping around it. So if you check out thecraftywinner.com, you'll find that I used wood glue for a very interesting project concerning Scott's desk. Found out that this stuff is pretty awesome, so I'm actually going to use that to push this into here. We're going to let that sit, and then we're going to start wrapping stuff around. Hopefully it'll hold correctly. Okay, day 2 of this build, and this is in there. It's not going anywhere. So I'm going to start wrapping the rest of the fronds around the outside of this. Alright, so now I'm going to start with taking these fronds and my string, and I'm going to start making little wraps, basically. Wrap each one, and then I'm going to wrap it around. So as it is, I'm not doing so great at keeping it uniform, but I'm doing my best that I can. Sometimes the ends are not exactly as easy to work with as I would like. Now, I'm doing this all by the seat of my pants and just kind of experimenting with this. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. You can kind of see the idea that I'm going for here to get it wrapped around. And looks like it might actually work. How about that? Alright, so now these are all wrapped up and ready to go. I've got maybe about half to 3/4 of it that I can wrap around, and it looks actually pretty good, but obviously I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do. Either I'm going to cut the excess off of this and bring it back up, or I'm going to have to wait for another another harvest from next year and grow a crap ton of lemongrass. Here we are a little bit later, and the glue has completely dried on our broom. Everything looks good. There's a little bit of dribble, but it ain't that bad, you know? I mean, in all honesty, that's actually pretty cool. So I found some more fronds while we were looking around in the basement and cleaning up and everything. Yay! Clean up with the basement! And yeah, so we're going to start a second layer on top of this. I'm actually going to trim around the edge there because this broom is pretty tall otherwise, and kind of go from there. So probably can complete this project tonight. Yay! What do you guys think? Think about right there? I think about right there. That looks good to me. Does that look good to you? I think it looks good. You could smell how good this smells. Like, oh my gosh, it smells so good. Not bad, right? I mean, all things considered, not bad at all. So now, just for fun, we're going to take the extra and we're going to add an extra layer to this, just to make it look a little pretty and kind of a little floofy and, you know, not quite so nicely made. Because, you know, it just looks fun when it's a little bit more wonky. I seriously wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. This isn't something I did myself. This is something that I got off of something. I don't even know what it is, but it's pretty colors. So I thought, you know what? Hey, pretty colors. I'm going to put some pretty colors on this thing. Why not? Now, while these aren't exactly the ends that I was looking for, I was looking more for the wild stuff, I still have a little bit that I got to fill in, and so these are going to have to work. All right. So now that we have our broom, the next question is, can you actually use it? It actually works really well.
An actual workable broom. Isn't it awesome? All right, well that's that experiment, and I guess I'll catch you guys later. Bye.